Welcome to a quick guide on differences between Matchtrader and MT5. Both are powerful trading platforms, but they have key differences. Let's dive in. Matchtrader boasts of a clean interface, and for beginners, they're having a cluster-free workspace to focus on your trade. MT5 is a well-known platform, very popular, has been in the market for years. Packed with features experienced traders love. They're having a toolbox with all the post-trading gadgets. Both platforms let you personalize your chart and tools, so you can tailor the experience to your trading. When it comes to social trading, Matchtrader integrates social features, allowing traders to follow and copy trades from successful traders easily. This is great for beginners to learn from experts. Tailor think perfect and stop loss. There are a little bit slight difference. With MT5, you can click on the line and get the stop loss on TP. Then equate it, set a status TP as a stop loss. While the other hand, Matchtrader, you have to click on the top loss, then get it to equate to it. MT5, while offering social trading features, is best suited for traders who want to develop their trading strategies with advanced tools and custom scripts. In terms of availability, Matchtrader is both accessible on desktop and mobile. Ensure you can trade on the go. MT5 also supports multiple devices, including desktop, mobile, and web. The choice depends on you. Matchtrader for a fresh user-friendly experience, MT5 for power and customization. So explore both and pick a champion.